పర్యావరణ పరిరక్షణకు ఎలక్ట్రిక్ వాహనాలు ఎంతగానో దోహదపడతాయని, ఎలక్ట్రిక్ వాహనాల మార్కెట్లో భారతదేశం వేగంగా అభివృద్ధి చెందుతూ ఉందని BU4 ఆటో ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్ సంస్థ ఎండి ఉర్వి షా అన్నారు. సికింద్రాబాద్ కార్ఖానాలో BU4 ఆటో ప్రత్యేక షోరూంను సంస్థ ప్రతినిధులు ప్రారంభించారు. దేశ హరిత ఇంధన లక్ష్యాలలో కీలక పాత్ర పోషించాలన్న దృఢ సంకల్పంతో ఉన్నామని తెలిపారు. ఇప్పటికే దేశవ్యాప్తంగా 35కు పైగా డీలర్లు తమ నెట్వర్క్లో ఉన్నారని, ద్విచక్ర వాహనాల డిమాండ్ను అనుగుణంగా తాము విస్తరిస్తున్నట్టు తెలిపారు. సంస్థ ఎండి ఉర్వి షా మాట్లాడుతూ, ప్రతి భారతీయుడికి విద్యుత్ వాహనాలు అందుబాటులోకి తేవడమే లక్ష్యంగా పనిచేస్తున్నట్లు పేర్కొన్నారు. ఆటోమొబైల్ రంగంలో 2 దశాబ్దాలకు పైగా అనుభవం కలిగి ఉన్నట్లు, అందరికీ అందుబాటులో ఉండే ధరలకు విక్రయాలు జరుగుతున్నట్లు తెలిపారు. దీర్ఘకాలిక ప్రణాళికలో భాగంగా BU4 ఆటో రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వంతో కలిసి విద్యుత్ వాహనాల వినియోగాన్ని ప్రోత్సహించేందుకు సిద్ధంగా ఉందని చెప్పారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో సంస్థ ప్రతినిధులు తదితరులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
In Bangalore in the country, we're right now at second position. So I think it was a very strategic move of BU4 that they came to Hyderabad, and out of all the people, they found the best 2 partners in Hyderabad. That is Vineet and Mahesh. I mean, it's a very good sync. I've already seen them work as great business owners into multiple different industries, and today now they're getting into vehicles like electric vehicles. They already have experience in electric vehicles, so it's so amazing that they decided to come into this. The location of this store is just amazing. It's like the heart of the city that they are here right now. The visibility of the store is amazing, so there's nobody in Hyderabad who can miss out on this location. So kudos to everything falling in place, from the strategy to the store to the owners. I was just asking Vineet that there's so many people in the city, in the country, who are doing electrical vehicles. Why did you choose BU4? And his answer was very simple. He said because of the owners. After listening to him for the last couple of minutes, I'm very sure that the company has thorough knowledge of what they're delivering. My favorite bike out of all is called Dodo. First of all, love the name, and second of all, does not need license, does not need registration. So I think that is one go-to bike for every woman who's just बच्चों को छोड़ना, cooking करना, one basic things in and out. I think it's one of the go-to bikes, Dodo. Very useful. Having one at home will always help. So love the entire concept. Good boot space to stuff all your belongings, and good lighting. I checked it all after that, I'm saying. So I think Dodo is my takeaway from today. And of course, the partnership of all of these people coming together is going to create real milestones in the business world. Thank you.
This product, we have special features like this product can be monitored by an application on your mobile. You can do geofencing of the product if somebody is using the product and you want him to be within a limited area. So if he crosses that area, you will get a text message and you can monitor the product. There are rider 1, rider 2 options where the product can be seen how a rider 1 is driving, how a rider 2 is driving. The best part of this product is that it is a per kilometer usage cost will be 30 paisa, and if you buy a petrol 2-wheeler, it will cost nothing less than 2.5 rupees per kilometer. So it is very economical. People having solar in their house, it will be completely free for them, and we give 3 years warranty for the motor, controller and battery. We can further extend the warranty at additional cost. We will also give option in future to buy back the product. If the customer is willing to upgrade, we will give options to buy back the product after 3 years. And we also have finance and insurance option for this product. We will compete with all the major players in the market like Ola, iQube, TVS, Bajaj and other companies who are already present and doing good numbers. We are planning to scale up from currently we are present in Hyderabad. Gradually we will open 36 showrooms in India, and then we will take it up to 100 plus showrooms by next financial year. And we are looking for a volume of more than 5,000 units per month. So this is the vision of the company.
Starting price कैसे है sir?
The price of the vehicle starts from 75,000 rupees and it goes till 1,10,000 rupees. and soon we'll launch the motorcycle which will be very competitive in price and which will have a good range in single charge. Our scooters get charged in less than 3 hours and give a range of 120 kilometers per hour per charge, and we give 1000 battery charging cycles. So it is very convenient for people to charge it at their premises and at office spaces. It requires a 3-point power plug point of 15 ampere, and you can easily charge your vehicle. We have good